Yeah, we out here. LT Speeds RC. Got some buggies, got a couple of bashers, a couple of Hobaos. We got a couple of Typhons. Try to hit that 100 for us. If not, we'll throw a 6S in. Got some cones out about halfway here, starting down there. Through the cones, straight up to the top. Let's do this. Oh, there must be full in there, man. Oh, I need to do the drill rates. Nah, I'm just checking the range. What is twitch? I need to turn my drill rates down, man. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm just gonna do my drill rates too high, man. Drill rates are too high, man. Oh, this has got a buckle wheel bad, man. Remember that wheel that I crashed?
Hobao.
Oh, let's do my drill rates.
Look at this, it turns around on itself, look.
Do a little range test. Let's walk down to the end. All right, walked right to the end so I can do a little range test. Don't know if you guys can see my red light flashing there. Well, not flashing, it's just on. I'm moving now. I can't barely see that thing. Is that at the end? I can't tell if it's even by the cones. It looks like it's by the cones. No signal. I think that's it. Signal's gone. Yep, I think so. I've reached the limit of the signal. Trying to get it back, guys. Here we go, here we go.
We're about 5 meters away from the end. I'm about here today.
So basically, that's a long range then, isn't it? And I went down, I turned, and then I went to turn again, and then it lost signal.
Yeah, it's quite far, man.
But initially, I think it would have stopped me anyway, and then would have lost signal. So that's far, man. So I know, because I can easily stand.
When did it start again? Just after here?
When did what start?
You got range again about here, did
Yeah,
you?
yeah.
That's far. And that Ross, when you're on top of the tower, it fucking multiplies it.
Yeah, you're going to be even better.
Yeah, Martin says...
Basically, it's like doing this whole length of the fence. You'd be like starting at that grass and running to the fence.
Yeah.
Worth of signal. That's more than enough to get your car.
Oh man, you've gone far. Do you know I've measured
This is like, I want to measure from I'm going to measure from here where I know I definitely had signal.
Yeah.
I want to see what the distance is from there and then
You
to
can
the
see
end.
on Google Maps,
Yeah,
because
you see that section, this section, and then that other concrete bit. Yeah. So I want to see like all them this bit up to here, and then see how far it is down to that bit. to see like how much, you know what I mean, range I can definitely
So
get.
if you can get to the end there, and you're in the middle, and you can go again, you've got fucking range.
Yeah, let me do it from here and see what happens.
Yeah, you'll get to the end. Yeah. I'll probably get it from the end too.
What are you doing, bro?
So that's you.
That's why I turned mine down, bro. See, I can't tell now when I'm...
It's getting dark.
Woohoo! Hey, easy now, soldier. Easy, soldier. Easy, soldier. Nice.
Let's have a little fuck about then.
Well, you want to race? You want to race, kid? Let's go then. Let's go. Let's set them up. A rolling start off with. Pretty close. Pretty close that was, man. Pretty close, pretty close. Want to go again or you want to stand?
Let's get the action a bit further up, Right, so you go, I'll go.
Hold on, I'm out of focus here. I don't know what's going on. Oh, it's the light, man. The light's going, man. Yeah? Woo! Yes, Hobao. It's got some pull. Yeah. Yeah. Let's check some temps. Let's have a quick blast on some temps. Yeah, that lip, I'm not too confident about that lip there. Oh, mine's barely getting warm, bro.
Yeah, I need to get a heat sink. Is your fan on?
Yeah, it's barely getting warm.
That
now.
one's not, is it?
Yeah.
It's not.
Is it? Oh, no, that one don't work, sorry. It stopped working.
I need to get one of those heat sinks.
Yeah, you need to put one on there or something. Mine's, it's not even warm.
What's this off? Oh, it's off that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the Hobby Wing. Heat sink is a good
You
heat sink.
have to bend it a bit, yeah?
Yeah, I had to stretch it to make it fit, but yeah, it does the job, man.
Cool.
But it's barely even got warm. 6S, man.
You're cheating on the batteries. Look how small my battery is compared to yours.
It's still graphene.
And I've got
You got the same battery, man. You got a better quality battery. I got a cheapo.
What is it, a 6000?
Yeah, man, I got a cheapo in there, bro.
Hey, these are the ones we was using last year.
Yeah, man. This is
In
what I
the
was
speed runs,
this is
in
what I
the
was doing.
batteries now.
This is what I was doing my speed runs with, man. Getting 90s with these HRBs, man. 6,000 milliamps, 50C to 100C burst, man. That's all they are, man.
No, they're 6.0 is something different.
Yeah.
Where's the
Range
ESC?
is good though. Fuck. Range
I'm
is good,
surprised
man.
that ESC's so big, you know. It's bigger than that.
Probably about the same. Probably about the same.
Cool.
Yeah. Yeah, that little lump there though. I want to go down there for a run coming this way, see how bad it bumps over. Because my Typhon will bump
Do you
on
need
that.
this light for the front, yeah?
You
You may as well, because it gets hard to see when you're up there.
I gotta see shit.
we should have done the speed runs with the Typhons first.
Yeah, before it got dark. But now I wanted to check that pump in it. If this,
True.
if it's bouncing this all over the place, it's obviously going to bounce that the Typhon in it.
Yeah, I just wanted to check if this motor and ESC, this ain't used them yet, and they're fine. Seems to be working all right.
Setting the straw rate down a bit more.
So you know, we get the Bosches and end up trying to go faster than them anyway.
You know what? It's all right going that way. It jumps off it.
Well, going that way?
Yeah, it's like a little step. It jumps off. It don't bottom out on it. Yeah.
Okay.
It was smooth going over. It just jumped off a curve.
That's got a lot looser shocks than that.
Yeah, but I think it'll be all right. I think. Yeah.
I
mean, we'll try to take and do a quick, slow run.
The best place is here to come across. We've worked that out already last time. Definitely. Try another run on this bit and we'll see.
That wasn't doing much. Which part did I hit when I came past?
Here.
See, that was still smooth, and that was a rough bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it'll be all right now.
That's the smooth bit then too. The further over the better. You want to be as close to that cone as possible, really. But if we're going to do a run, we need to do it soon because it's getting dark. I think it's going to end up at the big road, isn't it? You can't lose your car like this close to Ross on here.
The front wheel did lift in it.
But it didn't seem like it was a step. Which is this?
And this has got soft suspension, so I don't know what how much it'll bounce the other car. You know what this lip needs? It just needs to be all the dirt to be dug out and just fucking filler.
Yeah.
I'd bring filler, bro, and just slap some filler in there, man. Make it smooth, man. Quick smoke break. Yo. Oh, let's get a GPS on there. Wait for signal.
Do you want me to? Yeah, you may as well let me do it now. I can get a proper camera.
Let's get it off now.
Are you leaving the light on, yeah?
Yeah, because it keeps
Right,
the focus.
shall we start again? Because I was talking. Yeah? Should we start again?
No, just
Okay.
GPS on there.
Oh, okay.
You got signal.
Yeah. There we go, 0.
Turn the lights on.
Signal. Do your back one. Hyper VS. What you got? Stock diff, yeah?
Stop.
Yep. Came up to do a bit of just a bit of on-road bashing, really. See, there's a lot of space to brake.
What we got?
66.
66. Let's have another go. Battery's dead, but let's have another go.
That's about right for those gears.
Have one more blast.
I reckon mine's probably doing about the same.
Yeah, so I thought about 70. So if
Yeah,
I'd done it on the
about
first
70.
one, I would have got about 70. So it's about right.
Asha! What we got?
Probably the same.
68.
66 again, yeah, battery's done.
Consistent.
Yeah,
You probably just got it full. You got it full out anyway, haven't you?
full throttle.
Yeah. I mean, if you had a 23, 25 pin, then you'd get 80 mile per hour or whatever.
Battery. I mean, that's after how many runs in drag races.
I know, yeah,
Fucking
that's
hell,
true.
that battery's dead, man.
That is true.
We've been drag racing and everything, and I've been doing range testing, and this is like the last run of the day, and I've done 66.
Yeah.
First time I put the GPS on it, and the battery's dead.
It's not your speed runner there, is it?
It's not a speed runner, man. It's just a little dasher.
That's over here.
Yeah. There's the speed runner.
Send it.
Let's have a little blast with it. Let's get it for a quick blast. See if it's possible. Let's get off the test.
That's it. Bayers and Typhons out today.
Let's see if it is possible with this Typhon.